Hey everybody, it's Mark. Just want to come to you today with a little public service announcement. Um, I've been doing quite a few iPad Pros here lately, and I bought these charge ports from a couple of different suppliers, and I noticed about a month or so ago I did my first one. I'd done other iPads before, but my first Pro about a month or so ago, I got it in, changed the charge port, still wouldn't charge. So checked Tristar, checked all around Tristar, and nothing was shorted. But went through, retouched up all the pads on the charge port, and just to make sure they had good connection. Had good connection. So I said, well, only thing I can do is change Tristar. So did that, and still wouldn't charge. Okay. So I started looking at the charge port itself, and I found that the pins here that I'm taking the silicone off of, the pins they were touching the pads, and it seemed like they were making good connection, but they were not soldered down. So they were, unlike these actually have some tin on top. The ones on that specific charge port were still gold, so they were, or copper, so they were just sitting on top, hanging out. Sure enough, soldered them down to the pads, and go start charging. So just want to make this video to make everybody aware, and I saw it in my feed from YouTube that Jess had made a video about iPad charging issues, so she may have already covered this. If so, sorry for being repetitive, but I just want to make the video just to make sure everybody knew that this is a problem, and so you don't waste your time like I did with changing Tristar. You can just retouch these up on your new port and be off to your next repair. So these guys here, most of them there's a gap. Well, at least one or two pins. Let me see. Alright, so this one doesn't look terrible, but I don't know if you guys can see. I mean, it doesn't move because obviously it has this plastic holder in place. I'm guessing this is to hold it down tight against the pads. But there is just you can see a hairline. Not in all of them, but this one, it's a hairline in there. Okay, and even if these are covered in solder, I resolder them anyway. But these I'm definitely going to resolder. It only takes 2 minutes to do it. And I wish this one was the gold type that I'd seen before, so I can really give you a good example. But I would bet the cost of my next iPad Pro repair that this port, if I put it on and I did not solder these pads, it would not work. So sorry if I'm a little late to the game. If you guys already know this, great. But if this helps out one person, that's awesome. If it saves them an hour or so doing Tristar, that's good. Let's come through, touch you guys up. I would have some bridging, wouldn't I? There we go. Glad this helped. It's happened before. Bridge him over. So that's it. Just work it down dirty. Make sure they're tacked down, and you can save yourself a lot of time. So, like I said, hopefully this helps somebody out. If I'm missing something, feel free to comment below. If you like the video, give me a like. If you like the channel, subscribe. That would be awesome. And until next time, guys, catch you later.